When you open EDIUS, a menu window appears. To generate a new project, click on New Project in this menu, enter a file name, and EDIUS automatically generates a folder with the same name. The project and all imported clips are stored in this target folder. The target folder can be changed on demand using the button on the right. All video editing cards installed in the computer can be found in the Output Device settings. In this case here, a FireWire card with OHCI, Open Host Controller Interface, and a Canopus NX card for HDV. Both cards can support the most varied output formats. With the FireWire editing card, we select OHCI HD 60 Hz for an HDV project in NTSC standard, or we select OHCI HD 50 Hz for PAL standard. In general, the output format HDV 1080/59.94i is a good choice. For standard DV video, SD PAL would be chosen in Europe. In the USA, SD NTSC, either 4:3 or 16:9. The audio should correspond to the camera sample rate. 48 kHz offers the best quality. Some cameras record the audio at 32 kHz. In this case, there are 4 audio tracks on the tape. If they are all to be used in the project, then this output format should be selected. The assignation of the individual audio channels on the tape to the appropriate audio tracks within the timeline is done by channel mapping. In the first video audio track, channel 1 and 2 both have stereo playback activated. Let's set channel 3 to mono on the first audio track. If needed, the audio channel mapping of a project can be changed at a later time. If the computer has a Canopus editing card, we recommend that it be used. This way, the real-time capability of the editing program is only limited by the capability of the computer used. HDV was developed with 2 different format specifications, 720p and 1080i. They are not compatible with each other. Therefore, it is imperative that a single format be selected and that this format is also used by the camera when taping. Here, with the Sony camera, we decide for 1080i. The codec of the rendering format in EDIUS is automatically determined, in this case, high-quality AVI. Other formats can also be selected if desired. The recommended norm, however, has the best real-time capabilities. Now let's specify the total length of the project. Everything over 2 minutes is color graded. The reference level can be manually determined. For television, it lies at -9 dB. The entire project is now calibrated to -9 dB. The number of tracks can be changed in accordance to the project requirements. With a click on the drop-down arrow button next to the title, a color bar is added to the timeline. The level -9 dB appears in the preference window. This value is a good reference point for the audio level of the entire project. In Project Settings, the output format can be changed at any time, for example from HD to SD. The frame size and all other project characteristics adjust themselves automatically. You can switch back and forth as often as you like.